I used to read Financial Times, but now I read LEGO Technic Magazine. Why? Because this one comes with a free sports car and even a garage to build. Let's take a closer look at this magazine. It's packed with cool builds. Oh, love this, can't wait to build this. Fun activities. There are so many nice Technic sets I would love to have in my LEGO collection. And here it is, the garage for my sports car. First things first, let's build the sports car. And here it is, drifting already like a pro. It's a cute little build with moving steering parts, just what you'd expect from a Technic set. I found this little Technic mini digger in the LEGO City advent calendar, and check this out. It fits perfectly in the bag. These two sets are meant to be together. Alright, next job is to build the garage for my new car. It is a very simple job. All I have to do is cut out right here on these blue lines, and that's it. Next, I will fold the walls to make it look like a structure. At first I thought I could just use school glue, but then I realized, nah, it's better to get double sticky tape. I think that would do the job a lot better. Super sticky, perfect. I think the garage light should be from the inside, so I'm just going to fold the corners just like this. Taking my time, make sure it's very, very accurate and precise. Perfect. And the garage is ready to park my car. Looks really cool with wooden panels and a large glass window. I'm not very good at parking in a garage. Let's see how it goes. Oh no! First attempt failed. Second attempt failed again. Let's see if the third attempt will be successful. Yes, I parked my car finally. I think I'm pro at parking. Check this out. Boom! I've done it. Yep, it's in.